it's been an exceptionally poll-wise bad year for the Labour Party. You know, the public perception of the Labour Party, I don't think it could be any lower. Unfortunately, I say that as an insider looking out at the things we are achieving and have been trying to achieve. It's been a tough year. I mean, a lot of people who would have put their support in us clearly at the moment are saying they wouldn't support us, and that's extremely worrying.
So you're worried for the future of the party and kind of heading into the next general election? You think we're facing an electoral wipeout?
I think once the general election is called, whenever that is, there's a different type of a narrative that is given amongst political parties and people running for elections, and I think the conversation around what people are looking for will be different than the space that we're all in right now. You know, obviously issues such as Irish water is still dominating the political arena right now and political discourse, but I think once a general election is called or the mode is created, that people will be asking about what type of government they want to have, and you know, like every party, we'll be putting our stall forward on what sort of a programme that we would like to see if we were in government again, and obviously highlighting lots of the successes which unfortunately don't get out into the media too often that we have achieved to date.